Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can transfer crypto from Revolut to Binance. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is prepare our Binance wallet. So log into Binance and navigate to your wallet section. From your wallet section, you're going to go and look for fiat and spot, select your desired cryptocurrency and go and click on deposit. Now what you need to do is click on the correct network. So ERC20 for Ethereum, BP20 for Binance Smart Chain tokens. You can now copy your unique wallet address carefully, open the Revolut app and tap on crypto, then select the cryptocurrency you wish to send and simply tap on send. Then you need to add your Binance wallet address as a new external destination. This is where the funds will be transferred to, and then enter the transfer amount and review all of the details thoroughly. Complete any required two-factor authentication and confirm the transaction. You can now monitor the transfer status in your Binance wallet. Processing times may vary based on blockchain network congestion, and it typically will take just a few minutes.